Did you know that 85% of jobs are filled through networking and not applications? Or that 78% of millionaires believe that networking is crucial when it comes to financial success? Your connections are more valuable than you think. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a powerful network that attracts opportunities, increases income, and accelerates your financial success. Stay till the end because I'll be revealing the biggest networking mistakes that keep people broke. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Wangui Mitathi and welcome to my channel. And here we talk about smart money moves that help you build wealth and financial success. If that's something you're serious about, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that you never miss out on any new video. Today, we are diving in deep into the power of networking, not just for socializing, but for creating wealth-building opportunities. I'll be covering why networking is a financial investment, how to build strong, high-value connections, how to use your network to grow your wealth, and the biggest networking mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. Most people think investing is just about money, stocks, real estate, or business. But one of the most powerful tools in wealth building is your network. And here's why. Most opportunities come from people. In Kikuyu, there's a saying that goes, Ado nioido, okay? Opportunities don't come from job applications. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. Studies shows that 85% of job opportunities or even business deals happen through personal referrals. The best opportunities are rarely posted publicly. They are only shared within trusted circles. So if you're waiting for success through online applications, you're applying jobs online and you're there hoping someone notices you, you'll be waiting for a long time and you are missing out, okay? Opportunities flow through relationships. Another reason is your network equals faster growth and learning. Success leaves clues. When you surround yourself with successful people, you gain access to insider knowledge. You'll have access to high income skills and business strategies that can take years to learn alone. So instead of trial and error, you get direct guidance, which at the end of the day saves you time and money. Okay? So how do you start investing in your network? Let's break that down. Think of your network as a financial asset. Okay? It grows in value when you invest in it. Here is how. Build relationships before you need them. One of the biggest mistakes people make or people do is networking when they need something. Instead, start connecting with people before you need a job. Okay? Interact with people, network before you want to do any partnership or investment with them. So try and build a relationship with them before expecting or needing anything from them. Okay? Another way is to be a giver, not a taker. People naturally help people who provide value. Okay? Ask yourself, how can I help or provide value to this person or to this individual? It could be something like sharing resources, giving some type of feedback, or something as simple as making an introduction. And this is because when you give value first, people remember and respect you. And eventually, they are more likely to return the favor later. Next, let's talk about the true value of your network. Not all connections are equal. A strong network isn't about knowing a lot of people. It's about having the right relationships. You value quality over quantity. A small group of high-value connections is more powerful than hundreds of random acquaintances. So focus on building relationships with people who have expertise in areas that you would like to grow in, with people who can introduce you to new opportunities, and with people who can push you to level up when it comes to your finances. Okay? People who will push you towards your financial success. And this is because your network is supposed to elevate you. Okay? It's supposed to lift you up. It's supposed to bring you up. Sawa? You also consider the trust factor. This is because people share opportunities with people they trust. If I trust you, there's a high chance I'll tell you about opportunities. Okay? If you build a strong reputation for being reliable or being skilled and valuable, you will be the first person they think about or they think of when an opportunity rises. Okay? Now, let's talk about how to leverage your network into financial success. Once you've built a strong network, here is how you'll turn it into financial success. Seek referrals and recommendations. If you need a job, investment, or client, your network is your best resource. Find mentors and advisors. And this is because learning from people who've already made it or people who are already successful can save you years of struggle. Okay? It will save you a lot of time and money. Form partnerships. Collaborate with people who complement your skills so that you're able to create new income streams. And lastly, access to insider knowledge. High-value connections share information that is not publicly available. So do that to leverage so you can turn these networks, okay, these relationships into something financially successful. Okay? Now, let's make sure you are avoiding the biggest networking mistakes. Some of the common networking mistakes are only networking when you need something. Relationships should be mutually beneficial. It's not supposed to be one-sided. So if you only reach out when you need help, eventually people will stop responding to you. Okay? We are humans, we get tired at some point. So another mistake is not following up. You can meet, greet people, but if you don't follow up or you don't keep in touch, the connection dies. Okay? So teach yourself to follow up. Sawa sawa? Keep in touch. Another mistake is staying in the wrong circles. Your networks should challenge you to grow. If everyone around you is comfortable with financial challenges, or you find they are comfortable with financial struggles, that's a sign for you that you should expand your circle. Okay? Take that as a sign that it's time for you to expand your circle. You see? Your network is the most powerful wealth building investment you can ever make. When you are around the right people, they will open doors for you that money alone can't open. So I urge you to start building your network today. Go out and start networking. Okay? It's for your own advantage. It's for your own good. Well, I'd like to know on the comment section, what's your best networking tip? Share with us. Well, that's it for us today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Go out and network. Don't say I didn't tell you.